Today I will be taking you through Chapter 3, Reconstitution of a Partnership Firm. Admission of a partner. We have learned in our previous chapter that partnership means is an agreement between two or more persons for sharing the profits of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Students, remember that any change in the existing agreement amounts to the reconstitution of partnership firm. This results in an end of existing agreement and a new agreement will be done. Reconstitution means reconstruction of a firm due to certain changes. The changes may be due to admission of a new partner, retirement of an existing partner, death of a partner, or change in profit sharing ratio. So, changes, ways, styles, all put together, we will call it as modes of reconstitution of partnership firm. Meaning of admission of a partner. When a new person is taken into the existing partnership firm as a partner for the benefit of the firm, it is said to be admission of a partner. That is, when a new person is coming into the business which is already there, then such a partner who is admitted into the business is called as a new partner, and the process is called admission of a partner. Admission of a partner will happen only when all the partners in the partnership firm will give their consent. Consent being saying okay. So, according to the Partnership Act of 1932, a new partner can be admitted into the firm only with the consent of all the existing partners. Then, the old agreement will get dissolved and a new agreement will come into the picture in order to carry on the day-to-day activities of the business firm. Now, there are various reasons for admitting a new partner. First one, to get additional capital. Second, to get additional managerial ability. Third, to secure fresh technical skills. Fourth, to expand the partnership business. Now, in order to have additional capital, the firm may go for a new partner, or to manage the business activities you might require another person, or it could be you require certain special skills and knowledgeable person with specialized knowledge and information. So you might go for a technical skilled person, or in order to expand the business. So these are some of the reasons why the partnership firm will go for a new partner. A newly admitted partner acquires two main rights in the firm. One, right to share the assets of partnership firm. Two, right to share the profits of the partnership firm. Both the rights say that the new partner will get his share of assets like machine, tools, building, equipments, computers, and so on. The second right says that even the new partner will have his share of profit. So if earlier there were two partners, they were sharing the profit. Now, since a new partner has come into the business, even he has a proportion of profit in it. Important points to remember during admission of a partner. 1. Sacrificing ratio. 2. New profit sharing ratio. 3. Valuation and adjustment of goodwill. 4. Revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. 5. Distribution of accumulated profits. in bracket reserves, and 6, adjustment of partners' capitals. So, in this particular chapter, we will be working out all these things, all these points. And to begin up with, let us understand what do you mean by sacrificing ratio. Sacrifice ratio. Let me give you an example. There are two friends who have a cake with them, and this cake divided into two equal parts. Now let us say these two friends have invited another one. So what will happen to the cake? The cake gets divided into three equal parts. Yes? Now, when sacrifice means to surrender or to offer, when they were only two, they managed themselves. When they had invited another one, they offered their portion to the new friend who was invited. So what happened? They sacrificed their piece of cake and gave it to another person. Now, keeping the same concept in mind, in case of partnership, the profits get divided. When the profit gets divided, let us understand sacrifice ratio. The ratio in which the old partners agree to sacrifice their share of profit to the new partner is called sacrificing ratio. So already we have old partners. They were sharing their profits. Now they will sacrifice their, or they will surrender their share of profit to the new partner. Then we call it as sacrificing ratio. So if suppose the old partners had a profit of 1500 and they were equal partners, so hence in my example I'll call it as A and B. Okay, so each of them will get 750 rupees. 750, 750. Now if a new partner is coming in, this 1500 gets divided into three equal parts. We will say they are equal partners. So what will happen? A, B and C. So how much A will get? 500, B will get 500 and C will get 500. Isn't it? So what happened? If you observe, before C came into the business, it was 750, 750. Since a new partner came into the business, they had to sacrifice. How much they have sacrificed? If you just observe, you will say 250 rupees A and B have sacrificed in order to give a share of 500. So sacrifice ratio means that portion of profit which is being sacrificed by the old partners to the new partner. Well, we will understand this whole concept by working out a problem.
Question number 1. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit C as a new partner for 1/7, 1/7th share in the future profit. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. Calculate the sacrifice ratio of A and B. A and B are old partners and their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. 5:3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So how will we write? It is written as 5/8 is to 3/8. They admit C as a new partner for 1/7th share in the future profit. So C is coming into the business and he is going to get 1/7th share of the future profit. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. 4 is for A, 2 is for B, 1 is for C. So the new profit sharing ratio is plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. So A's share is 4 by 7. B's share is 2 by 7 and C's share is 1 by 7. Clear? Next, calculate the sacrifice ratio of A and B. Because C is coming in for 1/7 share, we need to calculate how much A and B are sacrificing their share of profit. The formula to calculate sacrifice ratio is old share minus new share. Now, we need to identify what is old share. Old share is 5:3. New share is 4:2:1. So first let's write old share of the partners. Who are the old partners? A and B. Their share is, A's share is 5 by 8 and B's share will be 3 by 8. I have shown you over here how I have done the calculation. Next, new share. New share of the partners is 4:2:1. What is A's share? It is 4 by 7. B's share is 2 by 7. Yes? Now, old share minus new share. First we will start off with A. If you observe, the denominator is not same to minus directly. So we need to use simple mathematical calculation, that is your LCM. 8, 7, we will do LCM. Either way, we can start from 8 or 7. 8 ones are 8. 8 does not go by 7. We will write 7 as it is. 7. 7 1 is already been divisible. 7 ones are 7. That's it. Now 8 into 7 into 1 into 1. What is the multiplication answer you will get? 8 sevens are 56. Anything you multiply with 1, you will get the answer as 56. Over here you will get 56 itself. Now, the first partner being 5 by 8 minus 4 by 7 for A. What is the LCM we have got? 56. So let's write 56. Now, if I multiply with 8, how many times I will get 56? If I multiply with 7, 8 sevens are 56. In the same way, if I multiply 7 with 8, 8 sevens are 56. Now let's multiply the numerators. 5 sevens are 35. 4 eights are 32. So 35 minus 32, the answer is 3 by 56. Next, we will calculate for B. Old share minus new share. Denominators are not same. Since we have already done the LCM of 8 into 7 is 56, we will write the numerator as 56. If I multiply 8 7 times is 56. 7 multiplied 8 times, I will get 56. So let's multiply. 3 sevens are, we will get it as 21. 2 8s are 16. 21 minus 16, the answer is 5 by 56. So now the share sacrificed by A is 3 by 56. The share sacrificed by B is 5 by 56. So we can write the answer as sacrifice ratio of A and B is equal to 3 by 56 is to 5 by 56, or since the numerators are same, we can write it as 3 is to 5. So the share sacrificed by A and B is 3 is to 5.
Question number 2. Anil and Sunil are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. They admit Ashok as a new partner for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio between Anil and Sunil is 2 is to 1. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. The question says Anil and Sunil are partners. The profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So their share is Anil's share is 3 by 5 and Sunil's share is 2 by 5. Ashok is admitted for 1/4 share. Okay, let's remember that point as well. The new profit sharing ratio between Anil and Sunil is 2 is to 1. Okay, then what is the share of new partner? It is 1 by 4, which is given in the question. So new profit sharing ratio between Anil, Sunil and Ashok will be 2 plus 1 plus 1. How 1? Please look at the question here. It is 1/4 share of profit he is coming into the business. So what will be the share of Anil? Anil's share will be 2 by 4. Sunil's share is 1 by 4 and Ashok share is 1 by 4. Yes. Now let's calculate sacrifice ratio. The formula to calculate sacrifice ratio is share sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share, or old ratio minus new ratio. So first let's make a note of old share. What is old share? Old share of Anil and Sunil is 3 is to 2. First let's write for Anil. I have worked out over here for you to understand how we have got 3 by 5. Anil's share is 3 by 5. Sunil's share is 2 by 5. We need to minus now with new share. So let's identify what is new share of Anil. Anil's new share is 2 by 4. It is given in the question. Anil and Sunil will share in a new profit, that is 2 is to 1. So Anil's share is 2 by 4. Sunil's share is 1 by 4. Now we need to do the subtraction. But if you observe, the denominators are different. So what we should do? We need to do LCM. So 5 and 4. We can start with either 5 or 4. Let me do with 5. 5 goes one time. 5 does not go with 4, so we'll write 4 as it is. Then 4 goes one time. Done with the LCM. Let's write 5 into 4 into 1 into 1. So what is the LCM answer we will get? 5 4s are 20. 20 into 1 is 20. 20 into 1 is also 20. So the LCM that we are going to get is 20. So let's write it in the denominator. Now if I multiply with 5, I need to get 20 as the answer. So how many times is 20? 5 4s are 20. 4 if I multiply with 5, 4 5s are 20. Now 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 12 minus 10 divided by 20, the answer is 2 by 20. Now let's do for Sunil. Again, the denominators are not same. We have already done the LCM and we have got it as 20. So let's write 20. So 5, 4 times is 25 into 4, we will get 20. 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. 2 4s are 8, 1 5s are 5. So 8 minus 5 divided by 20, the answer is 3 by 20. So we have calculated the sacrifice ratio for Anil and Sunil. So now write it as sacrifice ratio of Anil and Sunil is equal to 2 by 20 is to 3 by 20, or since the denominators are same, so let's cancel it. You will get the answer as 2 is to 3. Then now you have an assignment question. Work out this in your notes. The clue for you to work out this question is, it says all the partners agreed to share their profits and losses. That means their new profit sharing ratio is equal. Equal means 1 is to 1 is to 1. Thank you.